In this video, we want to find the number of distinct anagrams of the word Mississippi that begin and end with the letter I. So let's see how many letters we have. We have 11 letters. 1 is M, 4 I's, 4 S's, and 2 P's. So the way it's going to work is we're going to assign the first and the last letter as I. That cuts down to now having 2 I's. There's still 1 M, still 4 S's, and 2 P's. So there's going to be a remaining 9 letters that we have to rearrange. Now, from the 9 letters, there's going to be a bunch of repeats. So there's 2 I's, 4 S's, and 2 P's. So we're going to take 9 factorial and divide it by how many letters we have factorial of each kind. So there's 1 M divided by 1 factorial. There's 2 I's divided by 2 factorial. 4 S's divided by 4 factorial. 2 P's divided by 2 factorial. So this is a number of ways that we can rearrange the remaining 9 letters. And so if we simplify this, we have, 9 factorial is 362,880. And then 1 factorial times 2 factorial times 4 factorial times 2 factorial is 96. And when we divide these two, we get 3,780 distinct anagrams of Mississippi that begin and end with the letter I.